Hello everyone and welcome to this session of Programming with Python. In this session, we will understand the concept of exception handling. To understand the concept of exception handling, we first have to understand the concept of errors. An error is an action that is not correct or inaccurate in nature, and it causes our program to terminate. So for example, let's say if we write an expression 8 multiplied by x. Now, this is an example of inaccurate expression because even before giving any value to x or storing any value to variable x, we are trying to use it in an expression. So when we will run it, then Python will give us a name error that name x is not defined. So this is an example of inaccurate action which is raising an error. Now there are basically two types of error in Python. The errors are syntax error and runtime error. So for example, let's say we define an expression called def multi, which basically takes an argument x and returns 8 multiplied by x. Now let's say if we run it, then we get no kind of error. But let's say if I remove this colon sign and run it again, then Python will give us a syntax error saying that we have typed an invalid syntax because we forgot to put the colon sign after the name of our function. So this is an example of syntax error in Python. The second type of error is the runtime error. The runtime error during the execution of our program. So for example, let's say we have a list called mylist and it is stored different value, let's say 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if we want to access the index at the 10th position, so we will write mylist and within the big bracket the name of our index and run it again, then we will get an index error that list index is out of range. This happens because there are only 4 elements and thus 3 index position in our mylist, and we are trying to access the 11th element of our mylist data type. So Python is raising an index error that list index is out of range during the execution of our statement. So this is an example of runtime error or logical error in Python. Now, what do we mean by exception handling in Python? To understand the exception handling, we first have to understand the concept of predictable errors or exception in Python. So let's say we have a function called division. Let's say def div. We basically take two numbers, num1 and num2, and return their division. So this is a basically a basic division function in Python. Now, if we call it our function from some different integers or bypassing different integers in our function, we will get a normal output. But let's say if we use 0 in the place of num2 and run it again, then Python will give us a zero division error because in mathematics, any number divided by 0 has an undefined meaning. So this is an example of predictable error because sometime or during some operation of our function, someone will put 0 in the place of num2. And since this is an inaccurate action or this is an error action, so Python will completely terminate our program. But we don't want to completely terminate our program, we want to bypass such kind of situation. So bypassing such kind of predictable errors is known as exception handling in Python. So let's say how we bypass these kinds of situation. To bypass the predictable error, we use the try and except statement. So the syntax of try statement and the except statement is given as follow. We first write the name of our try statement followed by the intended block of code which we want to normally run. And afterward we write the except followed by the name of error which is the predictable error we want to bypass or we want to avoid, and followed by the intended block which we will follow if we encounter an error. So for example, if we want to describe this same function for bypassing this zero division error, so we will say that define, let me remove all of this. we will say that def if will takes two arguments num1 and num2, and first it try the intended block of code, that is return num1 divided by num2, and if it encounters a 0 division error, then Python will simply say that you are trying to divide by 0. And now if I call our function with simple argument, let's say 6 comma 7 or 6 comma let's say 3, then Python will run smoothly. And if we replace 0 in place of num2, then Python will say that you are trying to divide by 0 instead of completely terminating the program. So this is how we handle exception or predictable error in Python. So that's all for this session. In the next session, we will explore other different concepts of Python programming. Thank you.